Hi, hello. Today we are in week one of one new series. This series is like my portfolio versus mutual fund. So most of the people they have this question whether we can beat the mutual fund thing, which is the best one. I can say mutual fund is best because you no need to put your knowledge on much knowledge. Like we are not like fully. We know all the thing, right? So with respect to stock market we are like basic, we know that. With that knowledge we will do, but mutual funds it will give some stable income over a longer period of time. So that's the thing. And my portfolio when it will helpful, like if you are talent enough to beat the mutual fund return, then it would be good. So that's what we are going to see to in this series. So here my portfolio will be there in the side, and what are the stocks, how much we allocated for amount for each stocks and indices and precious metal. It's nothing but gold and silver. Indices is nothing but some Bs I bought, IT Bs, pharma Bs, nifty Bs, everything. So those are the indices. And what is the current value? So these are the column, and closed position is nothing but if any position I start closing it, so I will put the profit here, profit or loss, any both of that, so that I can, when I calculate this, so this difference plus profit and divided by the allocated amount, I can say. So it will give the return, how much return we are getting, uh, uh, how much return. And actually it won't give the perfect here if I add the closed thing also, because the allocated amount will be different. But the overall value this will make some sense, because here I am going to allocate around 1 lakh rupee for the testing purpose. And that 1 lakh I will distribute among these three sections as of now. Maybe I will increase it later. But once I did that, then the amount, allocated amount, invested amount or allocated amount, it's a right where is the allocated amount, it's is going to be 1 lakh. And what is the value I'm going to get? Example, I got like 1 lakh 20,000 or something, and then 20% profit, so that will be added. And 16,000 rupees already if I booked the profit, then that also will be there. So out of 1 lakh I got around 1 lakh 36,000. That is nothing but our 36 percentage of profit. So that's my goal I am planning for. Target CAGR, it's CAGR is saying, but first year I'm going to plan for 36 percentage, so that's a aim. And currently this is will be taken from here. And 2 days or 3 days back I bought this position few thing. It's not the full money, 33,000 it's showing. It means like one third of the amount I bought it. And in the later weeks I will keep pumping up few more amount into this, so that it will round out to 1 lakh rupees. And from now onwards, and we are going to check how much we are going to do. And what is this mutual fund section? So this is nothing but so I am going to uh, buy one or two in mutual funds. So and in that, what is the value I bought it, in how much money I put that in that, and how much the value is, and how much profit percentage. I will, this section I will later I will explain in detail. So that's a plan. So I am going to keep checking like every week, how much I am, whether I am up over performing well, or underperforming that mutual fund, which is best. I'm going to check whether I am can beat this MF or not. We will see that. And I have some rules which already people may know that. So it's like a position sizing, and a few more we need to follow some rules. So that's I wrote it over here. So we are also going to use that, follow that. And this is the current setup, and this is my portfolio. Like I am adding some value to amount to this, like this. Don't do the same, because it's not for suggestion for to buy stocks or something. It's my plan, and I am checking my knowledge whether it is I'm good at this or not. And it's don't take it as any advice or something. I'm not the financial advisor. And here these two are highlighted. Why it is means, my rule will be like I should not keep any allocate any 5% of the total capital. As I said, I am going to put 1 lakh rupees. So 5% is 5,000 rupees. If any stocks it's showing more than 5,000, so it means like it's over the rule which I over the rule. It's violating the our rule. So that's the thing. It's highlighted. It's a 30 rupees. This is fine. And here it is like I bought it one earlier, and now I bought it at one support level. So I added one more level, so that 60 rupees or something I average it. But I won't do more mostly. Most probably I won't average it anymore. If it is touching the stop loss, I will close it. If it is going up, it's good. So that's what we are going to see. And this is the total amount, 23,337. It was mentioned in the above. And these are the in this section. And these are all just I bought a few across everything, just to check how each one of this is performing. It's not like you can see it's not a big amount also I'm investing here. Just a few amount, just to check the percentage, how these are all everything is performing across when I from when I started. So it's around 8,200. And if I am not adding more, then out of 1 lakh it is going to be 8.2%. It will go to indices. And this is precious metal section. It's currently it says only 1,500. Once I started pumping the money, and I will add more and more in that. And I won't directly put that money into it first. Maybe I will invest it in stock. Once the profits are being booked, then I will slowly add more and more into the precious metal. But for me, I'm still feeling that gold will still go up, but as maybe few more weeks or month it will consolidate for some time. So meanwhile I'm focusing on stock. So once I got started booking profits, all those things, I will slowly move money into this metal. My focus is more into the metal also. It's not going to be much useful in 1 year, first year maybe, but still in the next 3 year I'm thinking it is going to be crazy. It's going to give crazy return for me. That's what. So that's the reason I'm going to add. And here this section you can see the value will be calculated based on here. Allocated amount is going to be 1 lakh, and if the value is positive 1,36,000, then this value will come. So here if 36% comes, then my target will be achieved. My target is 86. Another thing, here I will get mutual funds performance. So if what is the value I'm going to get based on the fund, if that is lower than my portfolio thing, then I am good, because I invested much time, and also I did my own research, and it is better than the MF, I can say. And it's not going to in the first 1 year it's going to be it's not too good to say who is the winner. But going forward, if consistently if I maintain some good percentage more than the MF, then it's a good thing. And another thing, if it goes well, then I can keep a lot of money, and I can multiply my money also. So that's what plan. I hope I explained as much as possible and clear, and what is the plan and what we are going to do, all those things. Hope this video will be helpful, and this series is going to be let's see. um, that's all. We will see on the next week.